So my sister bought an ice cream machine, so I figured, what's the stupidest thing I can make ice cream out of? Gochujang. I'm starting off by making a basic custard ice cream base. First, I'm adding 300 grams of double cream and 300 grams of milk to a small saucepan to heat up. I'm also going to add my gochujang at this point. I used about 2 tablespoons. Then, I'm going to keep stirring everything as it heats up, making sure the chunks of gochujang are mixed in. Once the cream is almost boiling, I'm taking it off the heat so that it doesn't overcook and setting aside. In a separate bowl, I'm adding 3 egg yolks and 120 grams of sugar, then thoroughly mixing into sort of like a paste. Once the eggs and sugar are thoroughly incorporated, slowly mix it into the cream mixture while it's still hot. Then it's back on the heat with the cream mixture while still whisking to thicken up the cream. After that's thickened up, I'm transferring the cream into a pitcher to put in the fridge to cool off. After a few hours and the ice cream mixture is cooled off, I'm assembling my ice cream machine, then pouring the ice cream mixture into the bowl. I'll leave this mixture in here for about 20 minutes, then transfer to a container, cover with baking paper, then it's in the freezer overnight. It's time to taste the gochujang ice cream. But instead of just tasting it like this, let's make this a bit fancier. So it's the next day and the ice cream is ready to try, but I want to make things a little more exciting, so I'm going to prepare some sticky glutinous rice to go along with the ice cream. I couldn't really think of anything else that would balance out the sweetness and spiciness of the gochujang ice cream. I used a Korean earthenware bowl to serve my ice cream in. I let the sticky rice cool off so that it's only slightly warm, then laid down a bed of sticky rice in the bowl. I was originally going to use 1 scoop of ice cream, but I couldn't get a big enough scoop, so I went with 2. To finish off the look, I added some sesame seeds over top, which should add little bursts of sesame whenever I take a bite out of it. Alright, let me just get comfortable. Let's taste test this. So I put some sticky rice on the bottom, put the ice cream on top, and then I sprinkled some sesame seeds on top. First I'm just going to try just the ice cream. That's so weird. It's pretty good. It sort of tastes like a spicy sweet glaze that you would get on like actual food. Let's try it with some rice. That's honestly pretty good. And it's not too spicy. It's got like a kick, but then the milk, all the milk and cream kind of cancels it out. I'm gonna be honest, I probably won't even finish this whole thing, but that, actually pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised. That's nice.